Tensions between the US and Iran are rising once again, with President Donald Trump issuing a fresh warning to Tehran as peace talks remain stalled. Iran says it has responded to the latest US proposal, but disagreements continue over key demands. The conflict is also triggering fears of a wider economic fallout, with oil prices surging and global markets under pressure.
Tensions between the US and Iran continue to escalate as President Donald Trump warned Tehran to quickly agree to a peace deal, saying there won't be anything left of Iran if talks fail. Trump said the clock is ticking and time was running out for an agreement. The warning comes just days after Trump returned from Beijing without any major breakthrough agreements. Amid stalled negotiations despite an April truce, Iran confirmed that it has responded to the latest US proposal through mediating country. Tehran, however, described Washington's latest demands as excessive.
Thus, the very next day after we sent our concerns to the American side via Pakistan, we received a series of proposals from the other side, which we have been reviewing over the past few days. After we announced yesterday, our concerns have been conveyed to the American side. The process is therefore continuing through the Pakistani mediator.
Reports say that the United States has proposed a 5-point plan, including a demand that Iran only keep one nuclear site operational and transfer its stockpile of highly enriched uranium to the US. Iran said it is fully prepared for any eventuality amid fears of another military confrontation. Meanwhile, fresh drone attacks in the Gulf further strained the fragile ceasefire. Saudi Arabia said it intercepted drones entering from Iraqi airspace, while the UAE reported a fire at a nuclear power plant caused by a drone attack. In another development, Iran's top security body announced the formation of a new body to manage the Strait of Hormuz, which Tehran has effectively closed amid